Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi everyone. Today in this video we are here with few problems of calculation of interest on drawing. We have already studied in previous video all the methods of calculating the interest on drawing. Now in this video we are going to learn these methods with the help of few problems or few cases. Okay, see here. Here is the question that calculate interest on drawing at the rate of 10% per annum each of the following cases. Take here case 1. For case A, first of all we will solve the problem. When rupees 10,000 is withdrawn at the beginning of each month, first of all you have to remember the formula of calculating interest on drawing. Formula, what formula we will use here? Total drawing into rate of interest upon 100 into average period upon 12. Formula we are going to use to solve this problem. So here when 10,000 is withdrawn at the beginning of each month, suppose your financial year is a start from 1st April to 31st March. Now what would be your beginning? Your beginning would be 1st April, then 1st May, then 1st June, then 1st July, like this, and last on 1st March. What would be the total amount of drawing? If we talk about the total amount of drawing, then what would be the total amount of drawing? Here he is withdrawing 10,000 at the beginning of each month. It means in a year he will withdraw 12 times. We should multiply this by it 12, 1,20,000. He will withdraw during the year how much? 1,20,000. This is the total amount of drawing. Rate of interest is already given at the rate of 10% for each cases. Then we have to calculate the interest on drawing. What would be the interest on drawing? Total amount of drawing. How much total amount of drawing is here? 1,20,000. Rate of interest is here 10% into average period. Now the question is that what would be the average period here? The average period, for calculating the average period, the formula is that month left after first drawing. How many month will be left here after first drawing? If he has withdrawn on 1st April, then 12 month will be left here. So we will write here 12 plus month left after last drawing. His last drawing will be on 1st of March. It means 1 month will be here upon 2. 13 by 2, it means 6.5 will be the average period. So we will write here 6.5 upon 12. Now you can solve this question. Whatever the answer will be here, this will be your interest on drawing. Your interest on drawing will be 6,500, like this. So this is the first case. Now come to the second case. Case B. What is happening here? In case B, when 10,000 is withdrawn at the end of each month, here is the same thing. Total amount of drawing will be same, but the concept is that end of the each month. End of the each month in the sense, first drawing would be when? 30th April, then 31st May, then 30th June, and last drawing will be 31st March. This is the end of this month. Now what is the formula we have? Interest on drawing is equal to total amount. Total amount would be same, 1,20,000. Rate of interest is also same here. And now the question is that what will be the average period for here? As you know that for average period, what formula we will use? Month left after first drawing. When it will be the first drawing? First drawing would be 30th April plus when it will be the last drawing on 31st March. after when you are withdrawing on 30th April, then how many months will be left here? You have 11 month will be left here, and for last drawing how many month? 0 upon 2. It means 5.5 will be your average period. So you can write here 5.5 upon 12. Now you can solve this. 1000, it means 5500 will be your interest on drawing. In case B, in case C, see here the case C, what is happening here? When 10,000 is withdrawn in the middle of each month, same thing is here, little bit different. Middle in the sense 15th April first drawing, then second 15th May, then third 15th June, like this, and last drawing when it would be 15th March. Here what would be the formula? Interest on drawing is equal to total amount will be as it is, rate of interest will be as it is, and average period. What would be the average period here? The average period would be month left after first drawing. First drawing is happening on 15th April. Then how many months will be left here? Here it would be 11.5 month left after first drawing, plus month left after last drawing. Last drawing is happening here 15th March. It means 0.5 month will be here upon 2. 12 upon 2, it means 6. 6 will be here average period. Now solve this. Here your interest amount would be 6000. This is the case 3. Now come to the case 4. It means case D. What is happening here? When 30,000 is withdrawn at the beginning of each quarter, now he is withdrawing the amount on quarter basis. Then first of all you have to find out what will be the total amount. What would be the total amount he will withdraw during the year? 30,000 multiply in a year, you know there are 4 quarters. It means 30,000 into 4. Here the amount of drawing will be also same, 1,20,000. Amount of drawing will not be changed here also. So now calculate the interest on drawing. Total amount as it is 1,20,000, and rate of interest as it is, multiply average period. Now again the concept of average period. How he is withdrawing? He is withdrawing beginning of each quarter. What will be the first quarter? 1st April to 30th June, first quarter. Now 1st July to 30th September, this will be the second quarter. Now 1st October to 31st December, third quarter. Now 1st Jan to 31st March, this will be the quarter. Now see here how we will calculate the average period. Beginning of each quarter, this is the beginning of each quarter. 1st April is the beginning of each quarter, then 1st July, then 1st October, then 1st January. Here is the formula that month left after first drawing. If you are withdrawing money on 1st April, then how many months will be left here? 12 months plus month left after last drawing. Last drawing would be when? 1st January, because beginning of the quarter is 1st January. So how many months will be left here? 3 months upon 2. It means 7.5 will be here the average period. We will write here 7.5 upon 12. Now you can solve this. 12, it means your drawing will be 7,500. This will be your drawing amount in case of D. Now come to the case E. Here what is happening? On 30th, when 30,000 is withdrawn at the end of each quarter. See here what would be the end of each quarter? 30th June, 30th September, 31st December, 31st March. This would be the end of the each quarter. It means what would be the average period here? Month left after first drawing. Your first drawing would be when? 30th June. How many months will be left there? 9 months plus month left after last drawing. Here last drawing would be when? 31st March. There will be no month upon 2. It means 4.5. Now calculate the interest on drawing. Here the total amount of drawing is as it is 120. Rate of interest how much? As it is 10%. Into average period how much? 4.5 upon 12. Now 4500 would be here. Now come to the case F, last case. Here what is happening? When 30,000 is withdrawn during the middle of each quarter. When it will be the middle of the quarter? From 1st April to 30th June, 15th May will be the middle, 1st July to 30th September, 15th August will be the middle, 1st October to 31st December, 15th November will be the middle, 1st Jan to 31st March, 15th February will be the middle. Now calculate the average period. Month left after first drawing. First drawing would be on 15th May. How many months will be left there? 10.5 month. Plus month left after last drawing. How many months will be left there? 1.5 upon 2. Now 12 upon 2, it means 6 will be the average period. Now you have to calculate interest on drawing on the same way. Amount is as it is 1,20,000. Rate of interest as it is 10%. Average period is 6 year, 12,000. Calculate this one also. 1,000. Now what would be the interest? 6,000. So these are the circumstances of calculating the interest on drawing through the average period method.